Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create film and credits on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to tap on new project and I'm going to add black background to my project. I'm going to go to the CapCut library and then I'm just going to type in black background. You can add the background that you like for your end credits, but I'm just going to select the black background. I'm going to add it to my project and then I'm going to make the duration longer. The duration depends on the credits you want to create. The longer credits you have, the longer duration you should add. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the text option and then we can select add text and you can add your credits right here. I have just copied my credit, so I'm just going to paste it. Okay, this is my credit guys, and I'm going to click on the check mark and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, you can do styling if you want. Just go to the style option to change the style. But wait, I'm going to make it align with my background. And if you want to do styling, you can click on the style option and here you can change the font, change the effect, and it's up to you. And for instance, I'm just going to change the font. I'm going to select this one and click on the check mark, and I'm going to show you how we can create the rolling and credits effect. We can use keyframe. You can click on this keyframe icon like this and you're going to move it down until it's almost out of frame like this and go to the end part of your text. Okay, and then we can move it up like this to create the rolling effect. Okay, and now it's done guys, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, now the film and credits has been created. And okay guys, that's all the way to create film and credits on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.